Guys, I'm going to show you guys a weird fairy. Okay, so boom, boom, minus 26 equals. Hey, hold on. Did it wrong?
Age plus your oldest sibling's age is the age you.
Minus. No, guys. Okay. So 32 minus 29 equals 3. Now.
Your mom's age.